Hi, I'm Micah Riegner, and the past few weeks I've been doing breeding bird surveys for Arizona Game and Fish, and I put together this short video showing some of the bird and wildlife highlights from those surveys.
I'm here at Date Creek, and these western screech owls just started calling. I don't know if you can hear them, they're right behind me in this willow. This here is an elf owl. They're quite a bit smaller than screech owls, and they're only in Arizona for the spring and summer. Came across numerous herds of javelina coming down to drink, and a few mule deer up in the desert. This is a female Costa's hummingbird preening away, and a female ladderback woodpecker. It was nice when the blue grosbeaks finally arrived, and the brilliant red summer tanagers. Yellow-breasted chats are often difficult to film, but I managed to get a few shots of this individual. One of the amazing things about Date Creek is that there were 4 pairs of nesting zone-tailed hawks spaced out along the creek. And there's one of their fluffy white chicks. I also saw several Harris's hawks and a couple Cooper's hawks as well. Here's one coming down to drink. These great horned owls were nesting in one of the boulder outcroppings adjacent to the creek, and one morning I got to see the chicks coming out to explore. This brown-crested flycatcher was unusually cooperative, as was this Gambel's quail. And one afternoon I managed to film this Costa's hummingbird coming in for a bath. Switching gears a bit, just wanted to show some of the cool reptiles I saw while doing the surveys. This is one of the many Sonoran mud turtles seen along the creek. And a sidewinder crossing the road out in the creosote flats. And here's black-necked garter snake, a species that's often found near water. So I just picked up this glossy snake crossing the road, and this species is non-venomous, obviously.
So I'm going to put him down and watch him slither off into the desert.
So I just wanted to thank Stefan, Kimberly, Ryan, and Savannah for allowing me to do the surveys on Date Creek. I had a great time and look forward to coming back.